Hey, it's ID Guy Sav here on YouTube. One of the most popular questions I get asked is how do I change the toner cartridge on an HP LaserJet M600 series? Now this would be the M601 upwards. Very simple. It takes less than 10 seconds to change actually. So first things first, what you do is pull the front panel towards you, then the top panel, just have to pull it upwards. And yeah, that's where the toner cartridge is. Remove it, just have to pull it out, so remove it, and all you have to do next is use your replacement toner cartridge. So all you have to do is just place it back in, and there you go. And of course, it's the top panel, just have to pull it down, and then of course the front panel that's towards you, just have to place it back in. And that's it. You've changed the toner cartridge for the HP LaserJet M600 series. Sometimes it might happen where your printer doesn't recognize the toner cartridge, the new one that's just been installed. Then you would have to turn your printer off and turn it back on. But in most instances, it should recognize, and on your screen should show you that a new HP genuine cartridge has been installed. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's ID Guy Sav signing off. You take care and hope to speak to you in my next video. Bye for now.